Now look who is in the driver's seat. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Take your time. At the stoplight, we're gonna make the left.
Left, yeah.
Take your time.
Mommy, you're scared than I am. I'm fine.
Scared?
I'm going
if
at
I was
25.
Scared, I wouldn't put you in a
I'm going at 25
truck,
and you're telling me to, oh, slow down, take your time. I'm good.
Alright, so you're gonna stop at the green light, middle of the street.
Oh, you're going to Elmont right there?
Yeah, because you're gonna make the left turn. Oh, good. So you're going filter lane, the indicator on.
I could have bust that, right?
There you go. You're gonna middle of the street and then turn. There we go. Good, 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 good control. Perfect.
Hello, are you schooling me? I go to driving school. You know that?
All right. So you're gonna middle the road here. Go through. There's somebody coming.
Your steering wheel is easier than the guys. It's more loose.
Okay, not too close to the people in BMW. There you go.
Oh, my word. It's a right?
Yeah, right. We're gonna make a right. All the way down to the stop sign.
The car is not hard to drive.
Yo, what's poppin'? It's Kamora right here with DJ Sus One, the feature presentation. Right here rocking with you, homie. It's K Dot. Stay tuned.
Where is it from here now? I don't know where I am now.
Okay, we're gonna make the left. Kylan.
Kylan?
Left, right, hit indicator. Perfect. Good.
Welcome to my Republic. Gas. See, guys, we're making it alive. She overreacts. She wouldn't let me drive till the 10th
You didn't
class.
get to the dentist yet. Wait until you get to the dentist.
No,
okay,
but-
so you're gonna stop here and then make a right. Is it this one or the other one?
Mommy,
I think it's this one.
This one?
Yeah. Hold it break, hold it break, hold it break. You see them, sorry, everybody got enough.
Where am I
space. Go
parallel
ahead.
parking?
Go ahead.
Where should I go?
Put me right here, sir. Hello, hello, stop, stop, stop. Hello, yo! Reverse. Make sure it's
That's
in
in
reverse.
reverse.
Yes, go ahead. Take your time.